Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Legendary Box Breaks. We're going to go ahead and get started with our break tonight. It's now right around 6 o'clock. We're doing 2 boxes of 2013 Topps Prime. There should be 8 hits total, 4 autographs, 4 memorabilia. Wish everybody good luck. Got everybody locked into our randomizer here. Mix them up a couple of times, and then we'll get started. One more time. Do a little copy and paste. I'll scroll down real slow so you can see what team you've got, and for every hit I'll mention who got what. So here we go. There you go, guys. Like I said, after every hit, I'll call out who gets it. Go ahead and get started here. Wish everybody good luck. Packs. There's 3, 5, 7, and 10. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. Be giving out all the hits, autographs, memorabilia cards, and serial numbered stuff. So we got our first hit coming up. We got an autograph. Cordarrelle Patterson. Very nice looking card. Number 35 of 200. Rookie Patterson there. That is going to the Minnesota Vikings, and that goes to Chris M. Very nice card, Chris. And then right behind that, we got a Patterson bronze, also going to Chris M, number 226 of 350. Nice pack right there. So if we get another one coming up, it'll be a Manti Te'o, number 19 of 94, quad jersey rookie. It goes to the Chargers. That goes to Steve D. Go, Steve. We got a DeAndre Hopkins rookie gold, number 191 of 250, going to the Houston Texans, and that goes to Christopher R. Go, Chris. All right. 2 packs left. Comes a hit. Looks like it's number 88 of 99, autograph of Marcus Lattimore for the 49ers. And that goes to Christopher R. also. Nice hit there, Chris. Marcus Lattimore, rookie autograph, 88 of 99. So I believe, is that it, or do we have one more? We got one more. There we go. Chip card. All right, guys. Good luck. That's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. We got a Christine Michael, 1 of 1. Another one. We hit the Vance McDonald a couple weeks ago. Zachary D, you are lucky again, man. Nice looking card. It's got the NFL logo on this side, the Seahawks patch on the other side, and it is a 1 of 1. Way to go, man. You are a lucky fella. That's just one box, guys. We got one more to go. There's 3, 5, 7, and 10 packs. There's your empty box. Alright, guys. Had a good start. Good luck on this box. Alright, we got our first hit coming up here. And it's going to be that way. It's like a Ryan Nassib quad jersey autograph rookie, number 208 of 449. Going to the Giants, and that goes to Zachary D. Good looking card. There's that. Rest its face. Yep, we got our second hit coming up here. It's a Monte Ball dual jersey, number 98 of 99, Denver Broncos. That goes to Brian J. Nice looking card there, Brian. And we've also got a Mike Glennon gold rookie, number 229 of 250.
Chris.
That goes to Chris M., Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Good looking gold rookie there. And there's the ball patch again. You've been pretty good so far. There's a bronze Joseph Randle, number 195 of 350 for the Dallas Cowboys, and that goes to Zachary D. We got another hit coming up. It's an autograph, number 99 of 99. And that's going to be Aaron Dobson for the Patriots. And that is going to go to Chris M. Chris, you're racking up, buddy. Another hit coming up here. That's going to be a quad jersey rookie of Le'Veon Bell, number 5 of 99 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. And that is going to Zachary D. Last pack, guys. Alright. That's going to do it for tonight's break. So I'd like to thank everybody for joining us. We'll be doing a 2-box break next week. We'll be doing Topps Prime, and we'll also be doing a Topps Supreme football together in a 2-box break. Thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you next time.